Well, today I'm heading to SeaWorld of San Diego, and wouldn't you know it, they took my fishing pole away as I was walking through the front gate. I was very upset about it, but from what I understand, there's a couple new amusement rides out here that have been put in over the last several years since I've been here. So what do? We take the wife and kid, and we're going to go investigate SeaWorld's newest attractions. Come along with me, everybody, and tell me what you think. And leave your fishing pole at the gate. Just got through at the Orca encounter, and now we're going to head over to the Manta, which is a new amusement ride that I've never rode. So hopefully we'll get in front of the line and we'll get to ride on the front row of the new Manta ride at SeaWorld San Diego. That's all, folks. Awesome ride.